Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue paper slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is... Also remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys 2 ways how to make no glue paper slime. Also, I'm so sorry about my voice. I'm very sick right now with a head cold and a sinus infection. So I'm so sorry if my voice sounds a bit different. So the first no glue paper slime recipe is how to make no glue shampoo paper slime. So the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is shampoo. I'm using this one by Suave. You guys of course need paper. I'm just using toilet paper. This one works the best for me. Then you guys also need a bowl or plate to make your slime. I'm just using this airtight container because it works better. And then last but not least, you guys will need a mixing. So I'm first going to get out my bowl or plate. I'm going to get adding in my shampoo. And this shampoo works the best because it's super thick. And that looks like enough. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it up just for a little bit, not too much. Okay, that looks like enough mixing. Again, you don't need that much mixing. You just want to kind of like mix it around just a little bit to see how everything's working out. And I still have shampoo on the spoon, and that's okay. I took it off. And now I'm going to get out my toilet paper, and what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to rip it up and put it into the slime. So here is the toilet paper, and now I'm going to get ripping it up just like this. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get mixing this in. And it looks like I mixed it enough. You can see it's a really cloudy color, and the toilet paper will dissolve in there over time. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an airtight container on this, and I'm going to put it into the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. Every 30 minutes, I'm going to mix it up and see how it's looking. So I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay guys, so it's been about 2 to 3 hours for this one in the refrigerator, and I'm going to see how it turned out. And I could tell right away that it definitely, like, what is it? When you mix it a lot, it, it's like you mix it a lot and it basically fluffed up, if that's what I'm saying. So look at this. This looks really cool. And also I just used toilet paper for this, and I'm really excited to see how it turned out. It looks really good. I want to see if I'm able to. Oh yeah, it's definitely sticky. Super sticky. Oh yeah, this is such a sticky slime recipe. But it turned out really awesome for just shampoo and toilet paper, which is right there. I just thought I would put it on the side to show you guys. It turned really awesome. Super sticky though, but this one was a win-win for me. I kind of knew this one was going to work because this is my go-to paper slime recipe whenever I show it to you guys. But it turned out really great, and here it is. So yeah, this one was a huge win-win for me. Yeah, it reminds me of bubblegum, doesn't it? But yeah, this one was a huge win-win for me. It turned out awesome and amazing, and yeah, so this one was a win-win for me. So let's move on to the next no glue slime recipe. Also, if you guys tried this one out, put it in the comments down below. If it worked for you, I will comment back to you, and if it didn't work for you, I'll comment back some ways how to make it work. But yeah, let's move on to the next no glue slime recipe.
Hey guys, so sorry if you hear any noise in the background, but also this video I am sponsored by one of my favorite fidget toy brands, which is Neatos. Neatos sent me this awesome package of like mystery Neatos and some of their newer Neatos, and I thought I would show you guys it. Again, so sorry if you hear my air conditioner. Bunch of Neatos in here, the brand new ones. I did open the box before to see what it was, so they have these ones and so much Neatos. Let's open it up now. So here is the swirl Neato. Look at it! That is so cool. Look at the swirl. Then we have a regular one too. Yeah, purple one. A huge Neato. This is the one I saw in the box right now. It's such a cute name. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. Here's another one. This is the Neato Crystal. Look at this. Gosh. You can't even tell the camera how pretty it is. This is the Shaggy Neato. Oh my gosh, this one's so cool. They also sent me the little tiny Neatos. These are called the teeny Neatos. The green ones, these are so cool. They remind me of Globbles kind of. These are a lot better than Globbles though. The pink one, this one's definitely more dense with this one. Here's what I'm so excited to see. This is the Cool Cats. They're adorable. They're so good for stress. I love these so much. And you guys know the fruit Neatos. I've shown these in videos. Same with the Noodlies. Super awesome. They were so nice to send that to me.
You can find Neatos at your local Walmart,
and I believe they sell them at other stores near you. Thank you so much, Needles, again for sending all of this. So let's move on to the video. Okay guys, so the next no glue paper slime recipe I'm going to show you guys today is how to make no glue paper baby oil slime. So the ingredients I need to make this slime recipe today is baby oil, and I'm using this one by Equate. You guys will also need paper. I'm using toilet paper again. You guys will also need a bowler plate to make your slime, and I'm just using this airtight container. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. So what I'm first going to do is I'm going to get out my bowler plate and I'm going to get adding in my baby oil. I haven't done a baby oil slime recipe in such a long time, so I'm so excited to do this today. So I'm going to get adding in my baby oil now. And I'm just going to get to fill the whole brim of it. So that looks about good. And baby oil is very hard to work with for a no glue slime recipe, so I'm very excited to try this out today. And I'm testing these, by the way, so if it doesn't turn out like okay, that's fine though, because I'm just going to be testing them out. And now I'm going to get out my paper, and this looks like just enough. And now I'm going to get shredding it up. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get mixing it. Okay, this was really weird to mix, but it mixed pretty well. And now I'm going to put the lid on, and I'm going to see how it looks in about 2 to 3 hours. I'm kind of scared, or kind of worried. We're basically scared to see how this one turns out, because I don't know how it's going to turn out. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay guys, so the one that I'm most excited about is the baby oil one, so let's see how it turns out. I'm so excited to see this one. This one failed so bad. Oh, look at it. Even the paper isn't like all the way dissolved in. Some of it is, but like say this one's like getting all the way dissolved in. My gosh, this one failed horribly. I feel like I should have added more of like a thicker solution into it. Baby oil kind of doesn't really work that well because, you know, it's oil. But this one was a huge fail for me. I haven't had a fail in a while, so huge fail for this one. I thought it was going to work out, but it didn't. So this one was a huge fail for me. If it worked for you, please put it in the comments down below how it worked, and I'll try out that recipe. This one was a fail for me. If it worked for you, put it in the comments down below. But yeah. Okay guys, so here was the slime recipes I tested today. I tested the shampoo slime and the baby oil slime, and the one that worked today was the shampoo slime. It worked the best for me. Shampoo and toilet paper slime has always worked best for me for these past few years. It worked great. It's not really sticky anymore, which is awesome. But the baby oil one was a fail. Look at this. It didn't even dissolve. But yeah, both of these recipes were really, really cool to try out today. The winning one was obviously the shampoo and paper slime. And if you guys tried out these recipes, please put it in the comments down below. Also, remember, check out your local stores for Neatos. Thank you so much, Neatos, for sending me that awesome package again. It was really awesome opening it for my YouTube channel. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, love you so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. And also remember to check out all my social medias. They'll be linked in the description box down below. Bye!